Hello friends, welcome back to Exams Made Easy. I hope you all are doing well. Through this video, we are going to discuss a recruitment notification that has been published by NTPC Limited. As you can see here on the screen, NTPC is going to recruit executive, assistant mine surveyor, excavation head, etc. So friends, before we begin, I'd like to inform you that here in Exams Made Easy, you can get all the engineering recruitment notifications time to time, be it central government recruitment notification, various other state government recruitment notifications, as well as all other public sector undertaking organizations recruitment notification. So if you have not yet subscribed to our channel, then please subscribe and never forget to press the bell icon to never miss any further updates regarding any kind of recruitment notifications. So friends, let's start the analysis of this recruitment notification. As you can see here on the screen, so if you look at the first post, friends, the first post is head of excavation, and total number of vacancies only one, and qualification is engineering degree in mechanical engineering or mining machinery engineering from a recognized university or institution, and 18 years post qualification experience is required, and age limitation is 52 years as on 22nd June 2020, and consolidated pay of 2,27,000 will be provided. And friends, if you look at the second post, that is executive in the excavation category, here also number of vacancies only one. Educational qualification is also same, that is mechanical engineering degree or mining machinery degree from recognized university or institution. 10 years post qualification experience is required in the relevant area, and age limitation is 47 years as on 22nd June 2020, and 1,70,000 consolidated pay will be provided. If you look at the third post, executive mine planning RQP, total number of vacancies 2. Here educational qualification is degree in engineering degree in mining or postgraduate degree in geology, applied geology with recognized qualified person, that is RQP, certification of Ministry of Coal Government of India, and 14 years post qualification experience is required, and age limitation is on 22nd June 2020, 47 years, and 1,89,000 consolidated pay will be provided. And if you look at the heads of mine survey, total number of vacancies only one, and educational qualification is diploma in civil mining or mine survey, holder of valid mine survey certificate of competent of DGMS for coal under CMR 2017, CMR 1957. Experience should have 20 years post qualification experience in relevant area, and desirable qualification like AutoCAD, LDDT, that is land development desktop, 3D modeling, mine software, etc. are desirable. Age limitation is 47 years as on 27 June 2020, and consolidated pay of 1,89,000 will be provided. For assistant mine surveyor or mine surveyor, number of vacancies 18. And friends, here educational qualification is diploma in civil mining or mine survey. Holder of valid mine survey certificate is also required like the previous post. And friends, for this post, 5 years post qualification experience is required for assistant mine surveyor, and friends, 10 years qualification is required for mine surveyor, and desirable qualification like knowledge of computer, AutoCAD, LDDT, that is land development desktop, 3D modeling, etc. Qualifications are also required, but these are desirable qualifications. These are not mandatory. If you have those kind of qualifications, then you will be preferred with respect to the others. And age limitation is 37 years for the first post, that is assistant mine surveyor, and 47 years for mine surveyor as on 22nd June 2020, and consolidated pay of 57,000 for assistant mine surveyors and 76,000 for mine surveyor will be provided. And friends, if you look at the upper age limitation or relaxation, 5 years for SC/ST, 3 years for OBC, 10 years for physically challenged category of candidates as per government norms are available. So friends, if you look at the other informations like application procedure, application fee of 300 you have to provide online, and for SC/ST or ex-serviceman category of candidates, no such application fee is required. And online application procedure has already been started from 2nd June 2020. It will continue till 22nd June 2020. That means more or less you will get about 20 days, and this is the website by following which you can apply online. You can get the application link in the description box of this video itself. And if you'd like to get this PDF copy of this recruitment notification that we are analyzing, you can get this PDF copy from our Telegram channel. If you have not yet joined our Telegram channel, then link is available in the description box of this video itself. By following the link, you can join our Telegram channel. Otherwise, this recruitment notification PDF copy link is also available in the description box. From the description box also you can download. So friends, thanks for watching the whole video. If you'd like to get this kind of recruitment notification update every day, then please subscribe our channel and never forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.